Bluehost review, the pros, the cons, my personal experience with this web host, and everything else that you need to know. It's all going to be in this video, guys. Alright, so stay tuned for that. I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you are trying to start your first website maybe, or maybe you're just looking for an alternative web host. Maybe you're not happy with your current one. Well, guys, I'm going to help you make an informed decision on whether or not you should make the switch or start up with Bluehost in this video. So I don't want to mess around. Let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, so here we are on the Bluehost website. I'll have a link for this in the description down below so you can get this discounted price, okay? Instead of $7.99 per month, you're going to get a cost starting at only $3.95 per month. So, the first thing you'll notice right here is that just says you get free domain name registration, free SSL certificate included, a one-click WordPress install, and 24/7 support. So guys, very, very helpful. And the free domain, yes, they do actually give you a free domain. You'll see that later on in this video, okay? So if you want to follow along with me, guys, like I said, just click this link in the description down below, get taken to this website, and you can see this price, and you can follow along with me and have a look at the website yourself if you want. So let's click Get Started, and I'll show you the different plans that they have with Bluehost. One thing that I forgot to mention as well, guys, is they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? You can read more about that right here, okay? So it says if you cancel within 30 days, you receive a full refund on your hosting service only. The money-back guarantee does not apply to most add-on products or domains, given the unique nature of their cost, okay? So if you do sign up to Bluehost and you decide you don't like it, they can give you the money back on the actual hosting service itself. So if you're not happy with it, if you decide Bluehost isn't for you, you will have 30 days to cancel, but I'm sure you will be happy with this, guys, if you sign up. I've never had any problems with Bluehost, to be honest, so I'm sure you won't even need that, but it's available to you if you feel so. So let's just take a look at the plans quickly that they offer. So just click this button right here, Get Started. We will see all the different plans that Bluehost can offer us. So they've got the basic plan, plus plan, choice plus plan, and if you scroll down here, they've got a pro plan as well, okay? So the prices, as you can see, they are very competitive with every single other web hosting platform out there. So the basic package starts at $3.95 per month, and it goes all the way up to $13.95 per month. So don't forget, guys, click the link in the description down below if you want to get these discounted prices, okay? You can see the normal prices is $7.99 per month for this one, and $23.99 per month. So if you click the link in the description down below, you can get the best current discount available. So I'm not going to go over too much detail about these guys, but you just need to know that obviously the basic plan is for newbies who are just starting out creating a website. So if you are just trying this out, okay, just want to see if a website is for you, then maybe you can go with this one, okay? You'll only get one website with this. But if you think you're going to stick with this and you're going to build more than one website, then I would highly recommend going with one of the other options, because you will get unlimited with these. So you can come to the website, guys, check out which one was going to suit your needs, okay? You can read through all of these. If you don't understand what anything is, just have a little Google, guys, search up what it is. If you don't understand anything at all of these different terms right here, just have a Google, or you can leave a comment in the description, comment down below underneath this video, guys, and I will get back to you as soon as I can to give you some help, okay? But yeah, choose whatever package you think was going to suit you best. So once you've decided on your plan, guys, okay, whichever one you choose, just click on it and click select, and this is where you're going to be able to choose your domain, okay? This is very, very easy to do. It takes no time at all. So for this example, I'm just going to put chooseyourdomainhere.com. So you can put any domain that you want, if it's available, of course, and then you can choose if you want .com, .blog, .net, .org, whatever you want, just choose it there. I would always recommend .com, that's the most popular one. So just click next. If you already have a domain, you can put it in here as well if you bought a domain somewhere else, you know. So this is where you're going to be going to your checkout. I just want to show you quickly all of the extras that they have down here as well, okay? So down here, look, domain privacy protection, that is free with this plan. You get that for free. Site log security, that is going to be an extra $1.99 per month, okay? You can choose if you want this or not, okay? Just tick it on or off if you want that. Code Guard Basic, that is free with this plan. Bluehost SEO Tools Start, if you want that, again, you're going to have to tick this. It's going to be an extra $1.99 per month. So the only one gripe, it's probably the only thing that I don't like about Bluehost, and it's the one thing that turns a lot of people off. that is, you can't pay every single month, okay? You have to pay a year in advance, alright? So, like I said, guys, if you want to pay for 12 months at a time, it's going to be $7.95. 24 months is $7.45. It gets cheaper the more you pay, okay? But I would always recommend going with this one, like the 36-month plan, okay? But just because you get that cheaper price, so it's going to be the cheapest price available to you. And honestly, guys, it keeps you motivated, okay? If you've got this domain, if you've got this web hosting for 3 years, that's going to keep you motivated to keep using it and not waste your money. That was how I feel about it anyway, guys. So it's entirely up to you, but yeah, I like it. I go with the 36-month plan usually, like I said, just because it's going to be that cheapest price possible. Plus, it keeps you motivated to stick with your website and keep building it, okay? So there we go, guys. That is how you choose your plan and all the added extras as well. Let's quickly go over the speeds, because that is one of the most important things when it comes to web hosting, is the speeds. How fast will it make your website? Well, Bluehost has no problems with this whatsoever, okay? I've just used a website, one of the websites that I made for a tutorial video a while back, okay? So I've just used this one for this example. And look at the speeds, guys. This website, it checks the speeds of your website. And it gives us a 94% rating for our speed. And if you hover over this arrow right here, the average page speed score is 72%. So as you can see, guys, this is 22% faster than the average web host. Okay, so Bluehost, very, very fast speeds. Again, this is 95%, and compared to the average of 70%, it's 25% faster. The fully loaded time was 1.9 seconds. Okay, it took only 1.9 seconds to load the website entirely, compared to the average of 6.9 seconds. That's a huge difference. Waiting 4 extra seconds, basically, guys, 5 extra seconds, sorry, for your website to load. It does feel like quite long, okay? It's a noticeable difference right there. So as you can see, Bluehost has no speeds whatsoever. And the server is in Vancouver as well, and I have problems with speeds wherever you are. One major advantage that I think that you need to know, guys, is that it is actually the #1 recommendation for WordPress as well, that you use Bluehost. Okay, you can come here. This is on the actual WordPress.org website, and as you can see, their first recommendation is Bluehost. It is a one-click install. Once you go through, okay, once you go onto Bluehost, choose your domain, create your account and everything like that, it is literally one click and your WordPress website will be installed. Okay, WordPress will be installed that easy. It is super, super simple to do. It is so quick. You get the free domain with it as well. And if you know anything about WordPress, guys, it is one of the best website building platforms available today. I've actually got videos on my channel showing you how to create a website through WordPress in under 10 minutes, okay? That is using Bluehost. It can all be done. Your website will actually be built and ready to go in less than 10 minutes. I'll have that video linked in the description down below for you, actually, if you are interested in that. But yeah, that is one great advantage to using Bluehost, is that it works fully and is fully compatible with WordPress, which is, yeah, what I recommend you build your websites on anyway. Alright, so overall, guys, with Bluehost, I have had no problems with them whatsoever, okay? Their uptime has been insane, okay? I've never had a problem with uptime at all, okay? I think they guarantee like 99% uptime, but for me, personally, I've never had a problem. It's been 100% since I've been with them, and that has been a long time. And I've got a lot of websites built through Bluehost as well, okay? And like I said at the start of this video, their 24/7 support is really, really good as well. They get back to you as fast as they possibly can, and that is fast, guys, okay? They do not mess around. They get back to you very, very quickly. One-click WordPress install is super, super simple. It's easy to use, okay? It's literally one click and WordPress will be installed, and you can have your website up and running in less than 10 minutes. It is that easy, guys. So that is my Bluehost review. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking to start a website, create their first website, or even to switch over from another web host that you're not happy with. Bluehost is highly recommended from me. So if you're interested, guys, like I said, link will be in the description down below for this. Alright, guys, so there we go. That is my Bluehost review. I am very, very happy with this web hosting. I've had no problems whatsoever with them. They are very fast. It's very easy to use with a one-click WordPress install. The free domain that you give you, I can't see much wrong with Bluehost whatsoever. Okay, so if you are interested in signing up, guys, don't forget to check the link at the top of the description, okay? That's gonna get you the best deal that's available right now, okay? The best discount will be available by using that link in the description down below. So click that if you want to sign up. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you found it informative. I hope it helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.